In today's video, let me show you the way that you set up the Telegram privacy settings. If you're trying to increase the privacy inside of your Telegram, let me show you the exact section or the settings that you can manage. If this is something that you want to learn, make sure you stick till the end and let's get right into the video. Now, the way that you head over to the privacy settings is by tapping on the three lines on the top left and then head over to settings. From this settings list, if you scroll down on the settings, you'll see the option called privacy and security. Inside of this section, you'll find both the privacy as well as the security settings. If you scroll down, you'll see all of these lists that you can manage from the phone number to the invites option. For example, if you tap on the phone number option, you have the option of who can see my phone number, meaning that you can hide your phone number so that no one visiting your profile would be able to see it. Also, you can do the same with who can find my phone number as well. So these are all of the lists that you can look at. If you're trying to make your profile picture or your profile photo private as well, you can do that. As well as if you're trying to limit calls that you get on your Telegram, you can select either my contacts or set it to nobody as well. Now, if you want to manage other extra settings other than privacy and increase the security as well, you can add in the two-step verification and also add in the passcode lock as well. If this short guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.